Now, in this video, we will going to take up one more problem on square projections of solids. How to solve this problem by using the solid edge software. The problem reads as a square pyramid 35 mm sides of base and 60 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its slant triangular faces. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis appears to be inclined to VP at 45 degrees. To do that, first we will go for the solid edge screen. So this is the default screen, which is the size is A2. Now I want to reduce it to A4. So to do that, go to the sheet 1 on the lower left corner and right click on the mouse button, click on the sheet setup and come down to background shade and make it this A4. Show background I don't want and say OK. And then finally you fit to this whatever it has been set. Now we need to start typing the problem. So to do that, I will go to text and you take Times New Roman, okay, and take the font size as 4, enter. Now you take the cursor and place it wherever you want. Then you say a square pyramid of 35 mm sides of base. So to do that, so you take a square pyramid 35 mm sides of base, then 60 mm axis length, rests on HP on one of its slant triangular faces. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis appears to be inclined to VP at 45 degrees. By holding the Alt key, type 0176 and release the Alt key and full stop. Then you go to the right click. Then you just go to sketching, click on move, disable copy, you select this and you place it wherever you want. Okay. Now you take the sheet nearer to the screen. Now you come down to IntelliSketch, remove center point, end point, horizontal or vertical, and intersection is only enabled. All other options you make it disabled. Now you go to line, go to the line width and make it 0.05, and now you start constructing it. So first I will consider any arbitrary point, take 35 mm, angle is 0, then 35, angle is 90, then 35, angle is 180, then 35, angle is 270. So then go to line, take this end point to this end point, okay, right click, similarly you take this end point to this end point. Then you go to group, select this entire thing and make it as a group. And then you go to select this line and make it 0.5. Once you do that, so you just go to fit, go to zoom window. Now you go to move, disable copy, you select it and place it wherever you want. Then go to line and first you draw a horizontal line of any length and then you take offset, take the distance as 60. You take this cursor here, right click and move it, and then go to line and take endpoint. Similarly from here and take endpoint, and then go to trim these two and these two. Then go to line and take the intersection and draw a vertical line and go to trim. Then go to line, take endpoint to this endpoint to this endpoint. Sorry. Take a line from the endpoint of this to endpoint of this, and then go to select and you delete this line. Then go to split this line till here. Then go to select this line and make it single axis line, and you select this line and this, and make it 0.5. Once you do that, you go to group, select along with this line, then go to move, then enable copy, take this and lock this in y direction display, and move it in x, take it nearer and right click, then go to rotate, select this line and take this endpoint to this endpoint, then you keep it on x final. Now you go to select and you delete this, then you go to move, disable copy, select this and take it near the screen, and keeping the y displacement 0. Okay, then go to zoom window. Now I need to name them first. So to do that, I will go to text. Here I will take a small letter A, B, C and D, and here it is O, and then O1 in bracket. Okay, similarly you take a text. Here you type O dash, and here it is A dash, then you have B dash, then you have C dash in bracket, then you have D dash in bracket, then you have O1 dash in bracket. Okay, then go to line and draw a horizontal line of any length, similarly from here also. Okay, and also from here of any length. Okay, now you come down to zoom window and you go to text, select this, put the caps lock on, type capital X and you type VP and then HP now. Then go to move, disable copy, you select X, then go to VP, then you go to HP, then you have O dash, then you have A dash, then you have D dash, then you have O1 dash, then you have B dash, and then you have C dash now. Okay, now you go to sweat and come down to zoom window. Now you go to move, D, O, O1, A, B, C. Okay, then go to fit, go to zoom window. Now you go to move, enable copy, you take B dash, then you take C dash, then you have O1 dash, then you have A dash, then you have D dash. Okay, then you have O dash here. Okay, now once you do that, you come down to zoom window and now you bring this bottom side to nearer the screen, and then go to line, go to sketch, take line, take this A dash, B dash, and you take this also, and then go to line, take endpoint, and you take endpoint of this. Then here you go to trim. Okay, then you go to line, take endpoint. Okay, then you take intersection, then you take this intersection, then you go to trim or trim corner. Okay, now you come down to zoom window. Now you go to line, take endpoint, endpoint, endpoint. Similarly, you take a endpoint to this endpoint to this intersection point. Okay, now you go to split this line till here, then you split this line till here, then you split this line till here, then you split this line till here. Similarly, split within these two. Now we are going to apply the condition of visibility. So what I need, all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. The surface near to the observer is visible. So obviously this will go to become visible. Now I need to name them. I will make it 0.5. Okay. Then the edge or a corner, which is this one and this one. Two visible edges can never cross each other. So you take a hidden edge. Okay, and make it 0.35. Okay. Now you come down to this line and you make this as the axis line. Now we want to name them. So to do that, I will just go to move, enable copy. You take A and you keep it here. Then you take B. Then you take C. Okay. Then you take D. Now here you will going to get O1 with a dot line. So here you make this as O1. Sorry. You make this as the font size as 3. Okay. You make this as O1. Sorry. Go to select. Okay. Go to font and put the caps lock of type O1. Okay. So here this will be move, disable copy. You select this and you move it here. Now you come down to O1. Sorry. You come down to text and here you type small letter O. Then go to move, select this and you keep it here. Then you take O1 and you keep it here. Now we want to go to move window, move, select this entire thing and move it above like this. Okay. Then go to move, this and you keep it here. Now you come down to near to the screen. Now you go to group this all these lines. Okay. Okay. And you make it as a group now. Then go to move, enable copy, you select this. Then go to move, enable copy, use not taken. So go to group, select this, select this, select this, and you select this axis line. Select these two and now you select these two. Right click. Accept it. Now you go to move, enable copy. You select this, move it here. Okay. Then you go to rotate, disable copy. You select this. Take endpoint to this endpoint and by rotation angle 45, select on this side. So again you go to move, disable copy, you select this and you take it nearer to the screen. Okay. Now we need to copy them. So you go to move, enable copy, so you select this O and you keep it here. Then you take A, then you take B, then you take C. Then you take D. Then you take O1. Now you go to line command, draw a line from this endpoint to the XY line. Similarly from B and C, you take this and also from here. Then you go to trim trim this entire thing. Then go to line, take a endpoint, then you take line endpoint of this and go to trim corner between these two. Okay, then go to line, take endpoint and draw a horizontal line. Similarly, from here you take this, go to line, take endpoint, and from here also, and then go to trim corner between these two. Okay, then go to line, take endpoint to this endpoint, to this endpoint, and to this endpoint. Similarly, from here you take this and you drop this. Then go to line, take endpoint of this to endpoint. Now I need to name them. So to do that, first before that you split all these things which is required. Okay, then you take split, then you take end. Okay, now you go to condition of visibility. All the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. Surface near to the observer is visible, so 0.5. The two visible edges can never cross each other, so therefore it becomes hidden. Then you make it 0.35. Similarly, you select this line and you make this line as the axis line. Okay. So once you do that, you want to name them. So to do that, I will go to text, take the font size as 3. So you take O dash. Okay. Here it is A dash. Then we have B dash. Then we have C dash. Then you have D dash. Then you have O1 dash. Okay. Because all the surface, the entire square surface becomes visible. So then just go to move, disable copy, you select this and you keep it here. Then you take B dash, then you can take C dash, then you have O1 dash, then you have D dash, then you have A dash. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing manually, by using the solid edge. Now I need to go for dimensions, go to dimensioning variables, modify, go to general. So make it everything black now. Then once you do that, go to font, that is text, make it Times New Roman. Okay, and the font size is 3. Then go to lines and coordinates, make it 0.1. Okay, and then you say apply. Now you go to distance between, then go to annotation, make this as the square symbol. Okay, okay. Now you go to distance between, select this line and this line. So here go to dimensioning nominal, take it square 35. Now you just go to this and you make it clear and say okay. Okay. Then go to distance between endpoint of this to endpoint of this. So you're going to get it as 60. Then you come down to this. Okay. Then go to angle between this line and this line, which will be 45 degrees. So then once you do that, now the entire sketch is over. So now I go for changing the XY line to different thickness, which is 0.13. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing, solve the problem and create the drawing by using the solid edge software. Thank you.